Hey friends, this is Ater. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In today's video, I want to show you this bounce that the price action is having from this 22 cents support level, and at the same time the price line is likely to break out this resistance of the down channel. First of all, I want to show you this cipher pattern that I shared in my previous video with you, and this was the pattern that I first shared on 19th of June at the Patreon for my members. And let me show you this chart first. And you can see that this is the perfect bullish cipher formation. And after the formation of this pattern, the price action was just entered the buying zone. And if I now play this chart, then we can see that the price action, let me play the chart first. Then you will have better understanding what the price action is doing now. Okay, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action has reached at the very end of this buying zone. You can see that this buying zone starts from 34.74 cents and goes to 22.4 cents. And the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher are from 44.3 cents to 67.5 cents. Now let's take a look at the live weekly time frame chart. Previously, we have seen that the price action was moving above this very strong support zone, and after breaking down this support line, this is the trend line, uptrend line support, and after breaking down this support, the price action retested the previous support as a resistance and confirmed this breakdown and moved towards the downside. And now you can see that it has found a very strong support here at 22 cents. That is more likely to be 20 cents because after this drop, we can see that it has tested 20 cents, and previously we have more confluence points at the 20 cents. So this is 20 cents is more stronger than the 22 cent support. So now the price action is likely to have a bounce from here, and you can see that on the weekly time frame chart we also have this 100 and 200 simple moving average is just below the 20 cent support level, and then we have the next resistance at 28 cents, then we have the next resistance at 35 cents, and then 45, and then 55, and then 70 cents. Even though we had the rally up to 80 cents, however, we can see that we have more touches at 70 cents. Therefore, this can be our final resistance, and then the price action, after breaking out this resistance, the price action can start a mega bull run of the Stellar coin. However, at this time, we can expect up to 200% bullish rally as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher. Now, if we take a look at the small time frame on the 4-hourly chart, then here the price action was moving in this down channel, and for a while the price action broke out this resistance of the down channel with a very powerful buying volume. We had the buying volume support at that time as well, but the price action moved down, retested this previous resistance as a support, could not save this support, and move all the way down up to the support of the channel back, and also formed a head and shoulder pattern as well at this level. Therefore, even though the price action is breaking out this resistance of the channel again, but we should wait for the powerful buying volume like previously we had here, and the next candlestick after the retest, the next candlestick should be closed above the highest price of this candlestick that is breaking out the resistance of the channel. That will be the final confirmation for the breakout, and then the price action can start a very big move from here, and we can set our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher that is from 44.39 cents to 67 cents. However, I'm expecting that it can even move to break out the final resistance of 70 cents that we have. Very strong resistance here, we can see, and it can form another higher than the previous high after taking the powerful bullish divergence from this cipher pattern, because previously we have seen that when I shared this pattern, when the market was quite bearish back in 2020, and the price line of Stellar was moving at 7 cents, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action rallied up to 80 cents. That was more than 1000% rally, and this was on the monthly time frame. And previously back in 2017 the Stellar formed a big bullish bad pattern on the on the weekly time frame chart, and this time it has again formed this pattern on the weekly time frame. This is the bullish cipher. Previously it formed big bullish bats, so we can expect such move again, that the price action can make a powerful attempt to break out the 80 cent. That is the most recent highest price by the price line of Stellar. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then previously I showed you this very strong support that the price action is having on the daily time frame, and it is so far respecting this support. And you can see that this is the long-term downtrend line support, and it is likely to have another very nice bounce from here. Even though we are not having a buying volume so far, very powerful buying volume. However, once we will have the buying volume, then it can start a very powerful move to form another higher than previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am also sharing the different ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.